Hello tubers, back with new video. I'm your host Creative Hacks, and this is CR2032, a lithium cell. This is also known as a CMOS battery, complementary metal oxide battery. And in this video I'm gonna hack this. This is a dead cell, but I'm gonna show you how lithium can be extracted from the batteries and the cells. This is a dead one. I brought new cell for you. This is a Bluetooth battery, smallest one, and I have a dead Apple phone battery which I replaced in my previous mobile phones. And you have another. I'm not going to open this battery, but I'm just gonna open this for you, this all batteries, and show how lithium could be extracted. So you will need a wire strippers or any sharp cutter and a cell and any sharp object. I made this from hacksaw. This is a knife, handy knife, which I work with. So in this video I'm just gonna show you this battery, how to cut it. Just carefully, just spare this apart. I'll show you in a while. So like this, and just carefully begin with cutting all these sides and then lifting it apart. So after removing that, just carefully salvage this. And this is a stainless steel. You can use you can make it as a washer by cutting it round and center hole, or you can just throw it away. And we have here, so I told you we need a knife. We have here this net, which is also not useful, but be careful while removing this. I'll just remove it for you. So I removed it. This is a carbon something chemistry, I don't know, but we don't need this also. Let's take it aside. And I think you must wear gloves after the main part. Here, this is a paper. Yeah, all the lithium is just gone away because this was a dead cell. On the negative side, this is side, we should get here lithium metal, and this cell is dead, so we can't get anything. I'll cut new cell for you and show what's inside. So the same procedure as follows, but this is a new cell, so we have some liquid inside. So here we are. Once again, I recommend you to wear gloves and goggles. This is some liquid. I don't know what the liquid is, but it's some chemical. So this black powder, just save it for another project, or maybe some cells you can make with this. So I just keep it safely. And here, this little chunk is a lithium metal. This is soft and easily reactive, reacting with air. This gets really hot. And save this. So this is soft metal. This is from one cell, and this is a liquidy because liquidy because this is covered in kerosene to protect from oxidizing, and this is the safest way you can store it. And I'm storing it for my future projects, and hope you enjoyed the video. In future videos I'm going to make new, and this I'm going to hack for you now. These and these, we have some lithium. This is a dead battery actually. Hopefully you can't get any lithium, but still I'm going to hack it for fun. But first, this is just oxidized lithium, but still we have some. We can remove it, but for this video I'm just gonna show that adding water is literally dangerous. Lithium, water, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this is boiling instantly. It may catch fire sometimes because it's a very low quantity of lithium. It's producing a lot of hydrogen by reacting. So this is proving that it's a lithium, guys. Suffocation. See, still little lithium is remaining, but you can just throw it in water or use it, remove it anyhow. Lithium is a very sticky metal, and the lithium powered batteries are really awesome. Now the next battery, this is a Bluetooth battery, 56 mAh, 3.7 volts. We're just gonna cut it from here and extract the exact battery and show you. Little bit of struggle. I just peeled off the aluminum superfine foil for the battery covering. You can just use it for producing hydrogen or recycling metal in a furnace, melting it down to make a aluminum ingot and sell it, or you can sell it directly in the scrap. So we have the battery here. Just a little bit of careful. This white film is a polypropylene film which is used for insulation, and it's very good for insulation. And another side is a copper. I'll show you in a while. So we have a film here, and this the same black element, chemicals for insulating the battery. So in between the polypropylene film, and I'm not getting the view properly. So removing the polypropylene film, this is a copper. This acts as a positive electrode insulated with some chemical, and here this one, this part here is a lithium. Not exactly lithium, but it is insulated with aluminum. This paste here beneath this has a lithium, little bit. This is an aluminum foil actually, and insulated lithium battery which produces 3.7 volts. So you cannot remove lithium from these cells or these batteries, but you can just remove from the old type of button cells, and that's probably a really good idea to remove, to extract some lithium metal. And this is not used, you cannot use it with this powder, and refining is really difficult job. And next hack the next battery. Let's hack the next battery for you and show what's inside. It says some warning, potential fire warning, lithium-ion polymer battery. And this is an Apple phone battery actually. This is a pretty old battery, and sharp blade. I'm just gonna cut it for you. Hold on a second. The same thing with a smaller battery. I did with a big battery. I just cut it, and it's a lots of black powder mess. And this is a copper sheet actually, ruined itself. It's spoiled. And literally this is a copper foil. This is the same thing, aluminum foil insulated with a little bit of lithium, and the whole thing is foiled, as you can see here. So the battery is actually a dead battery, but still, yeah, you can open a new battery and just salvage it, but it's not successful, and lots of mess here. I have to clean it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay alert for more updates. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates, and suggest me the comments below what you like to hack.